Hey, I just saw this man just built this race car. It's super fast. It's like the fastest thing I ever saw. I'm going record it for you guys. Just see it. It's like he used an RC remote. I don't know how fast it goes, but it's pretty fast.
This is like a RC car that is homemade. That is super quick.
It's kind of like the remote control cars. This one, look how far it is, just in a few seconds. Or maybe, see, look how fast it is.
Look how fast that is.
I don't know how the heck it can do it.
It just did it.
It's already over there. Oh my gosh, it's already over there, but just in a few seconds. It's over there. I don't know if you can see it or not. But I can see it. Dang, I don't know how the heck it can go down.
Here's my cousin vlogging this too. Check it out on his channel.
Look how fast it is. Oh my gosh, just in a few seconds, it's already here already. I hope the trolley is good. It's so sticky fast.
Look at that speed.